The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. When you come to the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. The test of our progress is not whether we add more to the abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide enough for those who have too little. Happiness lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of creative effort. Men are not prisoners of fate, but only prisoners of their own minds. We may not be able to prepare the future for our children, but we can at least prepare our children for the future. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the assessment that something else is more important than fear. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. A conservative is a man with two perfectly good legs who, however, has never learned to walk forward. Democracy cannot succeed unless those who express their choice are prepared to choose wisely. The real safeguard of democracy, therefore, is education. I ask you to judge me by the enemies I have made. Be sincere, be brief, be seated. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because thorns have roses. The virtues are lost in self-interest, as rivers are lost in the sea. The only sure bulwark of continuing liberty is a government strong enough to protect the interests of the people, and a people strong enough and well enough informed to maintain its sovereign control over its government. Remember always that all of us, and you and I especially, are descended from immigrants and revolutionists. Freedom means the supremacy of human rights everywhere. It is common sense to take a method and try it. If it fails, admit it frankly and try another. But above all, try something. The truth is found when men are free to pursue it. I do not believe that any of us would exchange places with any other people or any other generation. A radical is a man with both feet firmly planted in the air. The only foundation for a useful education in a republic is to be laid in religion. The value of love will always be stronger than the value of hate. The only way to make a man trustworthy is to trust him. I am neither bitter nor cynical, but I do wish there was less immaturity in political thinking.